So how we can identify using a text? So it's let me go back to the application, and here if I inspect this forgotten account. So in the tool it is saying that anchor tag and then says normalize space and then you have a forgot account. So if I click on only text and uncheck the ID, I think it is showing as a best possible way is a normalized space, but I will design with the text, right? Now this forgotten account is of type anchor tag, so which is an tag anchor, and then you have to use the square brace symbol, and under that you have to type text, and text you have to write in a proper method type. So text and then equal to, so this has a text called forgotten account, so I will use a complete text here, and using a string approach, I mean string quotation, I can use this. So this is a one way, right? So this is using anchor tag with a text approach. So instead of anchor tag, you can use any of the tags like div, or you can use input, you can use span. So you have a n number of approaches or n number of tags. You can use all of them with the text, right? So if I don't have anything and I wanted to search based on a text only, it may be button, it may be anchor tag, it may be anything. If my text is matched, then go and click here. Then you have a wildcard option called star. So star is an wildcard option, but there is a disadvantage using this. It will slow down the execution speed of the automation. So it will take little more time trying to identify entire DOM. Instead of trying to identify based on a tag, it will try to identify entire DOM. So that's a disadvantage. So you can use a star symbol here. So star followed by text, and then you have this option. So this is the one more option which is available within the text, right? Now